Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing? What's going on? Alright guys, this is a garden that I start here, right? And what happened is, this is a small space garden. So there's no excuse when come under space, okay? You still can plant food. This area is a 8 by 6. 8 feet by 6 feet area, but I decide I'm gonna plant some food right here, some vegetables, herbs, whatever, just for you two guys to see that you don't need a big space to able to plant some food. Okay, I have garlic, onion, cabbage, celery, fruit trees right in this area. So I'm gonna start here with the lemon tree. This is my lemon tree I have here in this container. You know, this lemon tree about 4 years old. I harvest from it about 3 times already, and it's still standing. One day I leave it in the winter and it dries down, but it comes right back. So I'm thinking about digging it out the container and plant it in the ground. Also this is an Italian sweet pepper right here. It's already pushing back the leaf. This pepper tree, it's about 4 years old. This year I make 4 years old for this pepper tree. But every year I take it up and I take it back in. Take it out every spring. Also, this is another one right here. Same age. Also this one. This is the next one. So right here I have 3 pepper tree that's going for 4 years old. This is a cabbage I have here. And these are scallion. This is a parsley. Okay, so let me go right around here and show you guys what's going on in this little area. This is an avocado tree I have here. I bring it out too early so the weather kind of scorch up the leaf, but it's looking green. It's looking like it's coming back. These are raspberry. This one is raspberry as well. So this is 2 raspberry tree I have here. An avocado tree, an avocado plant, and these are onions right here. All these are onion. These are garlic. That's an onion right there as well, and this one is a scallion. Okay, I have some okra slip that I'm going to chuck in some areas. I have a avocado plant in here as well. Okay, these are herbs. This is a herb that I have. I can't remember the name, but this is really good for seasoning and cook with. This is a chocolate mint. This is a peach limb. It look like it wanna grow, so I'm just watching it. All these are small stage. Okay, we have another herb growing up right here. And we also have peach. This is a peach right here, pushing out leaf. Alright, so in this little area, guys, we have so much different plants in this area. We also have a pepper. This is a sweet pepper right here. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to transplant a few of these okra in this container up here. I'm only transplanting 2 because there's no room. I'm gonna take this in my big garden, but I'm only gonna transplant 2 right here. So we're gonna put one here. We're gonna dig out this one, and we're gonna put this one right here. This part we're gonna add more dot in this box in the future. But right now, so that's 2 okra plant I transplant in this area. Okay, so this area is 8 feet by 6 feet, but look how much plants I have going on here. Okay, you see. All right guys, so I'm looking forward to see the container garden going, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.